Leon Installation Guide. Unboxing. Cut the zip ties with scissors and remove the bike from the carton. Remove all protective foam from the frame and accessories. Note: be careful when removing the foam around the front wheel to avoid damage. Cut the zip tie on the front motor. Check all included parts. Headlight kit, toolkit, pedals, and charger. Seat. Handlebar installation. Loosen the bolts on the handlebar stem clamp and remove them. Keep the bolts safely for reinstallation. Position the handlebar on the head tube and reattach the stem clamp. Tighten all bolts securely in sequence. Front wheel installation. Loosen the screws on both ends of the transport pad and remove it. Remove the brake caliper pad spacer. On the disc side of the axle, place the washers and torque washer in sequence. Important: incorrect installation may cause the front wheel to bind or not rotate properly. Position the front wheel into the fork dropouts. Tighten the axle nuts evenly on both sides with the supply tool. Loosen the motor wire clamp. Route the wire to the correct position. Secure it, and connect the motor wire plug. Ensure the wire is properly fixed and aligned. Fender installation. Loosen the screw on the fork bridge. Position the front fender and tighten the screw. Loosen the nut under the rear battery mount. Insert the rear fender into place. Then reinstall and tighten the nut with a wrench. Headlight and turn signal installation. Locate the headlight and turn signal brackets. Mount the brackets onto the front fork. Same on both sides. Ensure the use of the plastic washers provided. Insert the thin washer onto the turn signal, place it into the bracket hole, and tighten the bolt. Repeat for both sides. And check with a wrench for final tightening. Headlight. Insert the plastic washers and align the headlight mounting holes with the bracket holes. Secure with the supplied bolts on both sides. Wiring connections. Match and connect wires of the same color. Blue to blue, headlight. Red to orange, right turn signal. Red to red, left turn signal. Orange to orange, throttle. Red to red, brake. Pedal installation. Attach the left pedal to the left crank arm and tighten counterclockwise with a wrench. Attach the right pedal to the right crank arm and tighten clockwise with a wrench. Ensure the rear securing bolts are fully tightened. Battery installation and removal. Locate the keys and cards box and take out the rear battery key. Turn the key half a circle to unlock and remove the rear battery. Reinsert the battery, lock it in place, and remove the key. Seat and rear rack installation. Align the seat mounting holes with the frame holes, then tighten the bolts securely. Long seat installation follows the same procedure. Align the rear rack with the frame mounting points, then secure with bolts. Rear trunk installation. Take out the mounting plate for the trunk, align it with the rear rack holes, and tighten the bolts. Place the rubber pad, set the trunk in position, and open it to access the internal mounting holes. Secure the trunk using the provided bolts. Then install the side handles.